नालो डॉक्टर सरोज सिंधु आहे। मुंहिंजो फर्स्ट टाइम आहे त मां हिन यूनिवर्सिटी में आई आहियां। ही शहीद अलाह बख्श सूमरो यूनिवर्सिटी, जंहिंजी न सिर्फ़ु मां पॉलिटिकल उन्हनि जी हिकु तमामु हिकिड़ी वॾी मदाह रही आहे, पर इन्हनि जे एजुकेशन मां घणो मूंखे सिखण लाइ मिलियो आहे। ऐं मूंखे लॻे थो हिन प्लेटफॉर्म जे ज़रिए यूनिवर्सिटी में भले असां कहिड़ो बि सब्जेक्ट पढ़णु अचूं, पर जॾहिं बि असां नालो शहीद अलाह बख्श सूमरो जो खणूं था त असांखे उहो दौर यादि अचे थो, उनजी स्ट्रगल यादि अचनि थियूं, उनजी करेज यादि अचे थी, उनजा फ़ैसिला यादि अचनि था, ऐं पोइ उनजी क़ुर्बानी बि यादि अचे थी। सो हीअ यूनिवर्सिटी मूंखे लॻे थो त जेका बि ॿार जितां पढ़ी निकिरंदा त उन्हनि खे किथे न किथे उहो ज़रूरु अहसासु हूंदो त असांजे वॾनि जेके क़ुर्बानियूं ॾिनियूं से पंहिंजी धरती लाइ ॾिनियूं, पंहिंजे माण्हुनि लाइ ॾिनियूं, उनजी ख़ुशहाली लाइ ॾिनियूं, उन्हनि जी आज़ादी लाइ ॾिनियूं, उनजी बेसिक राइट्स लाइ ॾिनियूं। ऐं जेके बि स्टूडेंट ॿाहिरि निकिरनि था त मूंखे उमेदु आहे त हू पंहिंजो सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सम्झी करे इनखे समाज में उनजो पैगाम पहुचाईंदा, भले कहिड़ी बि फील्ड में हुजनि। ऐं पर्सनली त मूंखे आर्ट ॾाढो पसंदि आहे, छो त मुंहिंजो ब्रदर पाण UNC जो ग्रेजुएट आहे। मां नंढे हूंदे खां ई स्कल्पचर्स इन आर्ट एंड डिफरेंट तरीक़े जा आर्ट जा फॉर्म्स ॾिसंदी आई आहियां। सो मूंखे ख़ुशी थींदी, हिकु दफ़ो फर्स्ट टाइम आहे पर ख़ुशी थींदी मां ॿीहर बि अचां। थैंक यू।
The very strong way of communicating any message to the larger audience is, of course, the art of storytelling. And when you say art of storytelling, it could have different modes and different media. And of course, art is one of them. And seeing the title there which says it's not only an art, but of course it's resilience, which is a very important factor to understand. Because as we have been moving on, in everyday struggle, which will keep us alive, is the resilience. So of course, if resilience is not there, the stories which are not very fancy today will not be converted to a fancy version tomorrow. I was looking to the title of the Weave, and Weave says it's women experience. My expectation from Weave is to talk about women empowerment. So Weave should not only stay with the women experience, but I'm looking forward that maybe after a couple of years, you'll be more considered as women empowerment rather than only seeing women experiences. Well, experiences, I must say, they are not unknown. We know that in our society there are very different classes. There are elites, there are middle class, and at the same time they're the level where people are living irrespective of any gender. So whether it's women, it's men, or even it's transgender. The struggle that exists in our society are visible, and art has been seen as a media through which we can propagate it, through which we can share it with a larger audience. Because mode of sharing today is storytelling, I would like to tell you a story as well. And that story, in fact, is my presence in this university, day one. But because the story I would like to share with you, I would like to learn not only at the level of SAPS, but I want we should also take some lessons out of it. And the example that I've just said in my earlier tone, that from women experiences, you need to move towards women empowerment. So your spelling will not be changed, it will remain Weave as it is. But of course, I would see that the objective of that community establishment work should be enhanced. It should not stay here only to sharing the level of experiences. Let me tell you here that when I joined this university, I've also seen stories. Stories in the way the art has been reflecting. Stories in a way where malnourished women having malnourished child in her arm and they both are crying. It was a story that was told to me through the artwork of my students. I've seen women handcuffed, chains, women handcuffed, women wearing gulan jo har, but then that all har is bleeding. They all are stories. But these all stories have only one side of a coin. I'm not interested to see one side of a coin. I'm a person who would like to always see problem along with side solution. I asked my students that, "Okay, alright, fine, it looks good. As far as the art is concerned, maybe it has a sad story behind it and you're trying to reflect that sad story. But does my artist only see these experiences through the lens of sadness? Why they cannot go beyond, and rather than talking about experiences, can talk about empowerment? When you have one side of a coin, why we cannot have another side of the coin? And what would be the other side of coin? One side of coin is that women is struggling in her life. The second kind of coin would be how they can come out of this problem. What would be the solution that will ease their life? How their quality of life can be increased tomorrow. Weave can work there. Maybe the first step is to just share experiences, but we need to see that how their bad experiences can be converted into the good experiences. We know the problems, and ladies and gentlemen, I think we have learned a lot of problems. Since 1947 till today, we are only talking about problems. I think it's enough of problem, let's talk about solutions. Let's take another step together, of course, by engaging community, but then think that how whatever been reflecting so far can see another dreams. There was a lady standing there and she said that they are so enclosed in the patriarchal society that they are not even ready or they are not even allowed to dream. And my question to her was, who stops you to dream? Who can stop you to dream? रात को सो जाए ना, ख्वाब आएगा, कौन रोकता है? Who can stop you? Can anyone be stopped if they want to really see the dream? I don't think so. And if this is the philosophy that individual is carrying in our society, I'm sorry. हम patriarchy से भी आगे चले गए हैं. The situation that exists today, it's not with the men. I think it's problem with the women. Women are not ready to see the dreams. Women are not ready to come out of their problem. And they are so comfortable in their own silos that they're not ready to fight. Come out. Make a very conclusive decision today. Nobody can stop you if you really want to fly. That is my philosophy. And in universities, what we are doing, in fact, at the moment, when I shared the stories earlier, I gave students assignment, and that assignment was that come up with storytelling with two different coins, the different sides of the coin. If you're saying that there is a malnutrition, mother and child, also show me a very good picture of healthy women and healthy boy. ठीक है, आपका story complete होनी चाहिए. If today is a problem, tomorrow I want to see this world like this. That's the dream. That's the dream every woman can start seeing. Not every woman, I think it's beyond women and men discussions. It is for human being. We all are human beings. Living good quality life is a right of every human being. And we must have rigor and strength to fight for our right. I was just talking to different people and said, "Madam, जहाँ सुनते नहीं आवाज़ उठानी पड़ती है." मैं कहा आवाज़ उठाएंगे, सुनने वाले कानों का क्या करेंगे कि वो सुमे रुमे दुखमन है तो. So we need to work on both the sides. It's not something that we have to do at our own part, but we also make it sure that the listeners should be engaged in such a way, and of course art is one way of reflecting, art is one way of telling them stories, so उनकी भी बात समझ में आए. So I really appreciate the work being taken up by the Weave, and they've started engaging with the communities. They went to them, they learned their stories, and for the 6-month fellowship program, which I was just learning with these wonderful ladies who were sitting there, they were telling me that there was a 6-month fellowship program, and they were engaged in that fellowship program, and they would keep on going to that same community again and again, trying to give them confidence first and then moving on further. So it's a very, very great initiative. But of course, I would say that think beyond. Don't stop anywhere, because world is not to be stagnant. The only constant in this world is change. So be consistent, be resilient from your own side. I would like to wish you all the good luck, all the great work that is being done from all the women who are a part of your fellowship program, either irrespective of that side, which is the artist, or the other side, which is the community. So both of them are really appreciated. And I would like to appreciate Weave for taking this action, but I want to suggest that go beyond experience. Now let's talk about women empowerment. And something that make you empowered is you, only you. Stop thinking about problems, start thinking about solution. You will be empowered. Nobody can stop you dreaming. So have a good dreams, great dreams, and have a great day today with us at SABS University. Do not only enjoy the showcasing, but the university is open to facilitate all different domains. Thank you very much, Dr. Kamal, for facilitating this entire event today. And thank you very much, Roshni, for our visit. Thank you. Jazakallah.